Oh, this is thick on.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back for another video, and guess what? Y'all already know what time it is. It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. We have been talking about headband wigs. Everybody been talking about headband wigs. This is a headband wig review, but I wanted to show you a little style that you could do a little bit differently from the fabric headbands. Because to be honest with you, I'm not really a fabric headband girl unless I can freak it. You know what I'm saying? Unless I can make it look like something different. I'm not trying to look like the next girl. I want to look like the girl all the way down the street that you ain't even met before. I have a little tutorial for this on my head. I have the pleasure of working with Vivi Babi Hair. ViviBabyHair.com. It's an online wig website where you can buy all different sorts of wigs, including this headband wig right here. This headband wig is the, hold on, y'all know I gotta read it, the 180% density Brazilian kinky curly headband wig in 14 inches. Vivi Babi Hair provided me with this wig as well as gifts. These 3 headbands. These are really cute headbands. You can check them out. I'll show you what they all look like. Very, very cute. So although I love the headbands that they provided for me, sometimes I want my wigs to look different. I decided to create this look. Or if you want to see how I got this look right here for my headband wig, please keep on watching and I'll show you how I got it. So we have 4 combs on this wig and no adjustable straps in the back. Of course, there are tracks sewn onto the back of the hair, but get into this hair. Look at this curl pattern. Let me show you the stitching, what it looks like right up close. Now my hair is full of got to be glue gel. And if you don't know anything about got to be glue gel, it's the devil. But I'm gonna go ahead and take some flattening mousse and I'm just gonna, oh girl. I'm gonna try and work it through my hair and see if I can move it around. Oh, that helped a lot. I got a little bit of dandruff, but that ain't nobody business but mine. My wig grip keeps my hair in place so I can like easily put on my headband wig. Put a wig cap on. I am not braiding the back of my head because why would I do a thing like that? Now we can do baby hairs. Okay. Boom. She's set. Okay, so now that we have on our wig grip, we're gonna put on the actual wig. Okay, because I wear my wig grip, I do not use the combs except for in the back. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. Oh, look at that curl pattern. It is absolutely gorgeous and bouncy. Look at this side. And let me go ahead and show y'all the back as well. Let me show you what it looks like. So I picked up a braided headband. So this is hair that is synthetic hair that is braided up. I'll leave a link for it down below. And I'm gonna take the braided headband. I think I wanna pull this up just a tad bit and then fold this back. So we're gonna take the braided headband and it latches in the back. Oh, this is thick on. This is what it looks like just with the braided headband one. I think it's super cute, but I want to add a little bangation on the situation. So let me see if I can pull some of these hairs from this side. And then I'm going to take some hair from the back. Right here on the sides, right? I'm just taking out some wispies. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse just to bring some of these curls together. Why the mousse ain't moussing? Mousse, girl. There we go. So this is what it looks like. The braided headband, it's a little bit too dark for this hair, but that's okay. Like, you really can't tell unless you're up close. But look. One thing to make it extra secure, because this braid can slide around a little bit on top of that satin, you can take some hairpins and just pin them to the headband, just lightly. Ooh, I got some in my hair. I don't play with that. There we go. There we go. I love, love, love this look. Y'all tell me what you think. Is this something different, something that you can wear yourself on a little date night? I love this look, and with the length of this hair, it kind of gives you like a little bit more of a sassy, sort of natural style. As far as the wig, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, I want to say that this wig is not super thick. This is more of your daily, super natural sort of wig that makes everyone think, girl, you just pull your hair back. That's it. This is a really, really natural looking wig. Let me show you the back again with the style. It is so soft, it's ridiculous. Like, really soft. I washed and conditioned this hair as soon as I received it and let it air dry, and this is how I got the curls. I added a little bit of mousse to the end while it was wet to make sure these ends stayed all clumped up, because that's how I like them. I love the braided headband look. Y'all tell me what you think down below. Also in the description box, I will have the links and some coupon codes that you may want to check out to this Vivi Baby Hair Kinky Curly Brazilian wig. I have links to that down below, so please check it out. Thank you to Vivi Baby Hair for sponsoring this video and providing this wig to me. So y'all just leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. What other styles do you have in mind? Because this one I popped up with and I'm proud of myself. So cheers to me. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.